Amazon has been amazing, but how can you make 100% with it? Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. What up, Tycoons? This is Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing education on stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. Now we have Amazon. All right, we did this macro analysis in our exclusive trading group, and it's been spot on. So right over here, we called out for a second time where Amazon was going to rise. So we called out over here at the bottom, and we called out over here where it was going to rise. And as you can see, it hit our first price target. Now we have the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, simple setup. Now this right here, this could be the retest of the breakout, right? This could be the retest of the breakout, which is what we took it as. Boom, retest the breakout, and then it continued. Now let's say that wasn't the retest of the breakout. It still could come back down to retest that breakout before going back up to price target number 2, which is 211. Okay. Now, I don't think that that's probably, well, you know what? You never know. You never know in this market. But we are up above 179. I don't think that we're going to drop all the way back down to 146. But if we do, we already know what's going to happen. So in my opinion, if I just don't even take that into account and I take this all-time high right here and I create a trend line, all right, that trend line, boom, let's actually extend that a little more. Boom. All right. So you see how we have that hitting touch. We got a touch. All right, cool. And then it perfectly lines up with this right here. So let's say we pull back. We still could pull back and touch this trend line. Very much possible. All right. Now the pullback would actually be the retest. All right. So we could pull back to around, let's say, 155. That's very much possible, which we have two different ways on telling why it will pull back to 155. So if we get a rejection at 179 and we can't hold above it for, a week or something like that, because this is the weekly chart. If we can't hold above it for like a week or two, we already know we're probably going to pull back down to 162 to be safe, or 155. All right. So that's how you know what to do. If we can't hold above 179, go ahead and grab some puts. You can go at the money. That's the safest way, a month out or, however long you want on the expiration. But if you don't have the money to do so, you can do it at the target, 162 puts or 155 puts. But the expiration is most important. So you don't want to do a 0 DTE. You don't want to do a, close expiration, because this is the weekly chart. It could take some time to play out. So if we can't hold above 179, we're hitting 162, and then we're going to hit 155 area, which is where we could reverse at to go higher. Okay. So if this is happening all across the market, and we have other stocks that are, dropping and retesting or, making corrections and doing corrections over a span of some weeks, this is one of the ones that you could make money with. All right. So just keep that in mind. And Amazon is amazing. All right. Make sure you join our free newsletter, the Tycoon Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community, where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting-edge AI technology, like AI-powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option callouts by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, callouts from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000% 100%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader Funding and the promo code, input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.